Do you need to replace the motherboard on your Dell G3 3500? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base screws. Now use your fingers or a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Now disconnect the battery. Now disconnect the LCD cable. Then unscrew the antenna cable bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cable and slide out the wireless card. Next, unscrew and remove the thermal plate and then slide out the solid-state drive. Next, unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the hard drive cable. Then unscrew and remove the hard drive and caddy. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Note that if you have a 4-cell battery, the process is the same, there's just one additional screw. Next, peel back the securing adhesive and then disconnect the DC jack cable. Then unscrew and remove the securing bracket along with the DC jack. Now unscrew and disconnect the right cooling fan. Then unscrew and disconnect the left cooling fan. Next, unsnap the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cables. Now unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unscrew and remove the heatsink. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your CPU and heatsink. Note, for maximum cooling of the processor, do not touch the heat transfer areas on the heatsink and CPU. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU and graphics chip before replacing the heatsink. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.